Welcome to this video. I am Rohit and my group members are Aakash and Vishesh. In this video, we'll see how to do sharding of data in MongoDB using Docker. We'll have three components: MongoOS, config server and shards. MongoOS is the interface to MongoDB sharding cluster. Config server stores some metadata about shards and sharding clusters will have our actual data. Before continuing, we need to have Docker and MongoDB installed in our system. So let's create three Docker containers for our config server. We can do this by using docker compose command. The hyphen will not come. Okay, the containers are being created. We can test whether the containers are being created or not by using docker space ps command. Okay, after doing this, we need to connect a MongoDB with this config server. Okay, as we can see, all the three containers are running. Now we are connecting a MongoDB with these three containers. For this, we will need IP address as well as port where the node is running. Okay, now we'll do initiation of our replica set. For doing this, we'll use rs.initiate command. We can check the status of initiation using rs.status command. Okay, we can see that nodes running at 40,002 and 40,003 ports are now syncing to 40,001 port. Okay, let's create three containers for our shard cluster. For doing this, we'll use docker space compose command. Okay, if we run docker space ps command, we can see a total of 6 containers are running now. Now we'll connect a MongoDB with the shard cluster, and after that we'll initiate our replica set. We can check the status of initiation by running rs.status command. We can see that nodes running at ports 50,002 and 3 are now syncing to node running at port 50,001. Now we'll create a container for MongoOS. We'll use docker space compose command for doing this. And if we run docker space ps command, a total of 7 containers are now running. Now we'll connect MongoDB with this container. Now we'll add shard to the cluster. So for doing this, we'll use sh.add_shard command. Now we'll create another shard and we'll use docker space compose command for doing this. Now if we run docker space ps command, now a total of 10 containers should be running. Now we'll connect a MongoDB with this shard cluster. And now we'll initiate the replica set using rs.initiate command. Now if we run rs.status command, we can see nodes running at port 50005 and 6 are now syncing to node running at port 50004. Now we'll add shard for this shard2 and we'll use sh.add shard command. Now our containers are all created, so we'll need to create database and add data to the database. Okay, so in this I'm using database demo. Okay, let's create a collection in this database demo. So we are creating a collection called songs in this database. Okay, now let's add some data to this collection. Now we can see that a total of 1000 documents are now being added to this collection songs. Now we need to enable sharding on this database demo. So we can do this by using command sh.enable sharding. Now we need to create an index on one of the fields of the collection on which we are doing sharding. So we'll use create index command for doing this, and then we'll shard the collection using sh.shard collection command. Okay, we are having an error. Please create an index that starts with the proposed shard key before sharding the collection. So this means create index command is not running properly. So let's rerun that command again. Okay, so there was some typo. Okay, now let's rerun that shard collection command again, and now it should work. Also, we can check the distribution of the shard by using database.collection name .get shard distribution. Thank you, that's all.